I'm going to show you how to create all the visual content you need and even start your own graphic design agency in minutes with zero team or skills using Spinzign, the world's first software that designs graphics for you. So I'm logged into Spinzign and I can start with a blank canvas and just create from there. But the fast and easy way to do it is to jump to the templates and then choose a template. So there are 31 niches with all the most popular online and offline niches. There are hundreds of templates to choose from. When you find the one that you want, all you have to do is click on it to load it onto the canvas. And you can start editing it in seconds. Now, you can edit this in any and every way because all of these things are drag and drop simple. They can be scaled, they can be resized, they can be rotated. You can change the transparency and just about any other feature of it that you want. So in addition to that, you can add new elements. So if I go to add, I can go and I can add shapes, and there are tons of different shapes that can be added. I can add various other elements like accents. I can add bullets. I can add buttons, characters, lighting, and stickers. I can also add overlays, which are niche specific and look exactly like the niche that you're trying to design in. You can also add photos. These are transparent background photos, and again, they're broken down by niche. So there are photos for every single niche that you can add in one click. And then you can also add artwork, which are illustrated designs, again, broken down by niche, so you can get exactly the look and feel that you want. And you could add masks. So any element that you want to add, all you do is click, and it loads it onto the canvas, and then again, it's totally editable. You can layer elements, so I can send this to the bottom and then I can move it up so it's exactly where I want it to be. Then you can also upload your own elements and add them to the canvas, so any visual elements that you have. But where Spinzign really shines is with the spinning engine, where it can completely redesign graphics for you in seconds automatically. So I'm just going to select the elements that I want to spin over here in the right-hand column. And I'm going to actually choose the niche that I want to spin things in, because you could customize this any way and every way that you want. I'm going to spin the color on the shapes, and let's see, I want to spin the photo, and let's spin the mask as well with another bottom mask. And then all I have to do is go over here and go to spin, and the software does all the work for me. It creates 5 completely unique designs based on that in seconds. And then if I like any of these and I want to load them, all I have to do is click on it. If I don't, I could always choose to spin it again. So if I like that, I can keep it. If I don't, I can go ahead and spin again. And now you have yet another completely unique design. And every design that you create is completely editable. So I can drag and drop, I can move things, I can add whatever elements that I want. In this way, Spinzign does the one thing no other graphic software does. It does the designing for you. So even if you don't have an artistic flair, even if you don't have an understanding of color palettes or aesthetics or any of the other things that go into design, you don't need to worry about it because the software will do the work for you. And you can spin as many times as you want. You get 5 unique versions every time you spin it, and there's no limit to that. You can create designs for yourself, or with a commercial license, you can create designs for clients and even start your own agency where you sell designs to other people. And because there are thousands of built-in visual elements in the library and hundreds of built-in templates, you can create millions of different designs without having any duplication or having any of your designs look like anybody else's. Then when you have the design the way you want it, you can always save it to the cloud. You can also download all 18 sizes in one by clicking on Set, and it will download all 18 in a zip file. Or you can just resize it the way that you want also and see it in all the different sizes. These are all editable, and when I'm ready, I can download this, or I can even post it directly to social media. If I click on post, but you just click here, you can add whatever social accounts you want, and you can go ahead and post it in seconds. So you can see why Spinzign is the world's first software that designs graphics for you, and how you can use it to create all the visual content that you need, and even start your own graphic design agency in minutes with zero team or skills. You can do it all with Spinzign.